So I think we got a package for email confirmed date was 6/7, print pack slip was 6/8. So I think this is the White House Swirl points. You can like redeem shit. And just cut my fingers. Yeah, I hurt like fuck. Same finger. So it's definitely your shit. Nice package. So first off, you start with the White Owl hoodie. It's cropped. Feels like really soft material. It's fucking badass. Not for me.
What do you know? That's lasted it for.
Ew, holy shit. Then got the White Owl bucket hat. It's like fucking legit material. I got a big head, so this is actually like really nice. It's a patch sewn on. Good quality. Just like the warning label. It's my hat. Right in front of me. Then got the White Owl slides. These are the Men XL. Supposed to be size 13 and bigger, but good quality. A little stiff on the bottom, but good boat shoes. Yeah, got a pair for the old lady. And I will get back and share if they're size true, you know, true to the size chart. Because these look awfully small to be a size 9 for women. But and then, last but not least, for the smokers that aren't just smokers, they're drinkers. Like, they really made sure this shit, you know, didn't break and shipping. Nice little White Owl shot glass. And that's like not a sticker, you know? Like, that's good shit. Where's my, hand me those, the packs. Make sure y'all redeem your points on the back. Get free shit. Gotta pay to play, literally.